Do you know the exact amount of money you need to stop working forever and live life entirely on your terms? That magic number is called your financial independence number, and it's the key to unlocking a future where you choose how to spend your time, not your paycheck. If figuring it out feels overwhelming or out of reach, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to calculate your financial independence number, but you'll also have a plan to start working toward it, step by step. Let's start with the basics. Your financial independence number is the amount of money you need invested to sustainably cover your living expenses without relying on a paycheck. It's your ultimate freedom fund. Whether that number is $1 million or $5 million, it's personal and depends on your unique lifestyle, goals, and financial situation. The best part? You don't need to be a math wizard or a finance guru to figure it out. This isn't just about retiring early or becoming rich. It's about security and choices. Imagine waking up every day knowing you have the resources to do what truly matters to you. Maybe it's traveling the world, starting a passion project, or simply spending more time with family. Your financial independence number isn't just a goal. It's a tool that empowers you to make decisions based on what you value, not what you're forced into by financial pressures. Now, here's where we get into the nuts and bolts. The formula for how to calculate your financial independence number is surprisingly simple. Your annual living expenses multiplied by your desired withdrawal rate. Let's break that down. First, calculate your current annual living expenses. Include housing, food, transportation, insurance, and any other essentials. Add a little extra for the lifestyle you want. Don't shortchange your future self. Next, decide on a safe withdrawal rate. A common rule is 4%, which means you can withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio annually without running out of money. Divide 100 by 4 and you get 25. That's your multiplier. So, if your annual living expenses are $50,000, your financial independence number would be $50,000 times 25, which equals $1.25 million. Of course, this number isn't set in stone. Your goals might change, and so will the economy. Inflation eats into purchasing power, so your future expenses might be higher than today. A simple way to account for inflation is to use a conservative withdrawal rate like 3.5% or adjust your annual expenses upward when you calculate. Also, consider what you want beyond covering basic needs. Do you want to travel extensively, support a cause, or buy a dream home? Add those costs into your target number. Now that you have your number, let's talk about how to get there. The first step is maximizing your savings rate. The higher your savings rate, the faster you can reach financial independence. For example, if you save 50% of your income, you can achieve financial independence in about 17 years, even with average investment returns. Next, invest wisely. Compound interest is your best friend. Focus on diversified, low-cost index funds or other investments that match your risk tolerance and timeline. Every dollar you invest today brings you closer to your goal. It's not just about the numbers, it's about discipline and patience. The journey to financial independence takes time, but every step you take puts you closer to freedom. Create a plan, track your progress, and celebrate milestones along the way. And remember, the earlier you start, the easier it gets, thanks to the power of compounding. So, there you have it, the roadmap to calculating your financial independence number. It's not just a dream, it's a destination you can reach with a clear plan and consistent effort. Start today. Figure out your annual expenses, determine your target, and begin building your freedom fund. Your future self will thank you for it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more actionable personal finance tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your financial independence number? Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you the tools and confidence to start your journey toward financial independence. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore my playlist on financial independence. It's packed with more in-depth strategies and practical advice to keep you moving forward. And don't miss my most popular video for even more actionable insights. Just click the thumbnail on the screen. Your support makes all of this possible, so please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep building your financial freedom together. See you in the next video.